Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you the best business you can open in 2019 with zero investment. So let's get started with the video. The key to happiness is actually work for anything. It's not that hard to make money on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this video in 4 steps. So let's get started with step number 1. There are over 100 million businesses online. But the problem they have, like out of those 100 million businesses, 40 to 45% businesses have a great product, but they don't have a great website, and they are not on social media or have less than 10K followers on social media. So here comes your part. What are you gonna do? You're gonna find businesses online. You're gonna find businesses who have like a great product, like the product like which can actually sell, like people can attract to that product, a good product, but they don't have a good website. Their website is like really bad, and they don't have a social media following at all. So you're gonna identify, this is the first step, you're gonna identify that type of business. So like in one day you can easily find 10 to 15 businesses who have a great product to sell, but they don't have a good social media and their website sucks. And on we go to step number 2. And here comes the second step, the most important step. Here you have to actually contact that business. And now I'm gonna tell you how you can contact them and how you can look professional so they don't say you know, because this is a deal breaker and the most important step. So you can either contact them via email, via cold calling, or the best part, actually meet them in person in their office. And you can do this if they are in your town, if the business is actually in your town. So the number one thing, by email. So you have to give them value, you have to look professional and tell them like, hey, I'm gonna give you a 7 days of free trial and I'm gonna do this and this. Be clear, be specific, be in detail, and then at the end tell them after 7 days I'm gonna charge you this and this. And usually the agency, like your agency will usually, like minimum the agency in the world, like they charge the businesses around, they start with $1,000 and they go up to $10,000 per month. So you can, like if you're a beginner, you're just like starting out, you can tell them like I'm gonna charge you $1,000 per month. So after that, be professional, and this is like via email. And the second step is, the next is you can call them, like cold calling, like actually call the business, tell them what you're offering, and basically don't tell what you're offering to the person who like pick up your call. It's usually like the employee like who's working on the desk and stuff like that. Tell them you want to talk to the CEO, the founder, or the marketing manager or the social media manager over there in the business. If they say they don't have a social media manager or a marketing manager, that's superb. Then you can straight up talk to the founder or talk to the manager and let them know your services and how you can help them. And the third and the best way to talk to them is via in their office, physically going in, dressing nice, and tell them all about what you can bring, how you can bring value to them, and you are offering a 7 days free trial to them. Make sure you put that in too. So the businesses who are in your town, best is to meet them. Otherwise, if the business is like out of your reach, like out of country, or they're like in Asia, in like Europe or something like that, you can always cold call or email them. Now let's go to step number 3. Step number 3 is you actually have to know how to do the work. And if you don't know how to do social media marketing or build a good website, you can DM me or leave in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. But it's very simple. I'm gonna tell you right over here. What you have to do, you have to build a good website using Shopify or WordPress. I'll recommend Shopify. It's super simple. Even if you don't know how to do anything with a website, you can still build a great website. How? Because it's like drag and drop stuff on Shopify, and they have like already a custom built theme and stuff like that. So use Shopify for that and build a good website for them and put their product over there, and then use apps which are free and some are like paid on Shopify. And Shopify also gives you a 14-day free trial, so it's completely free. And what you can do is you can put those apps and stuff, put their product on the website and build a good looking website and show them like this is how a good website looks like. You can do it on Shopify or you can do it on WordPress. So this is the third step. Build a good website for them and put their product and show them like this is how you build a website. On to step number 4, which is actually get them customers. Because if you have built the website, if you've done everything, put the product, but if there is nobody to buy it, they're gonna just cancel you. They're not gonna keep you. So I'm gonna tell you how you can bring them customers. This is also a very important part. So you can leverage Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Instagram influencers, and you can leverage them. And these Instagram ads and Facebook ads money, they'll pay you. All you have to do is work. That's on their part. Your $1,000 on one side, and they'll even pay you for the ads also. You don't have to, it's not from your pocket, it's from their pocket. So all you have to do is put in the good work. So what you can do, two things. Either you can outsource this part and give it to a more professional person to do this, and you can like divide your money, or you can do it by yourself by learning. What you can do is Facebook ads or Instagram ads. What you can do is put ads like a niche-based ad and target people who will love that product. And what those people will do, they'll see your ad on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Instagram influencers page, and come to your website and buy that product. So what are you gonna do? You're making $1,000, and they will be making tens of thousands of dollars from your help. And what you can do after 2 to 3 months, you can tell them, hey, you're making this type of profit. I'm gonna raise from $1,000 to $2,000 or $3,000, and I'm 100% guaranteeing you they'll be happy to raise it to $2,000 to $3,000 because you are giving them value. This is like, on this thing, all you have to do is put in time. Zero investment for this business. Zero investment. And with Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram influencers, you can help them get more sales, and then you can also make a lot of money. So these are the 4 steps you can use in 2019 and open your own business or open your own agency with zero investment and make up to tens of thousands of dollars per month. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave in the comment section down below, and peace.